All right, we're recording now, Drew. Think we'll catch fish now that we're recording? That's how it goes. Once you put the camera on those fish, they don't want to eat anymore. Sure is beautiful out here. Shoot, if it wasn't windy, it might be unbearably hot right now. You can't beat it. I got him. Oh my God, tiny. Right. Oh, he ate that thing. So he wasn't on there at first, so I just held it to see if he'll eat it. Dude, this one is beautiful. This is not like a splake I've ever seen.
Is it even a splake or is it
This might not be a splake.
Is it a tiger trout?
It's like a panther trout. It's got like cheetah spots.
Yeah, that thing's fucking gorgeous. You got him on the camera in your lap here?
Yeah.
That was a pretty fish.
That was cool, huh? Here's a fish. Here's two fish. Oh. Neither of them went for it. Here's a fish, here's a fish, here's a fish, here's a fish. Oh, he had it in his mouth, but he didn't eat it. He didn't eat it. I had 4 fish swim by in a second here. Yeah, and the way I have this set up right now, I'm actually jigging off the bottom a good ways. A couple feet off the bottom, probably. Oh, here comes a fish. Oh, that was awesome. No, he just came crashing at it. I jigged it a little bit, hit it. Oh, this is a nice one. I mean, they all kind of look the same, but... there you go, Drew. Here's another one. Oh, jacker now. Threw that fish down there. Let's get this jacker fish out. This rod's definitely overkill, but I got wrapped up around the juicer. That's okay, we'll get him out. We'll still. There's another fish for you. Really? There's the jacker. That one looked like it was on there, right? Yeah. Oh, brown. Yeah? Yeah? Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Super cool.
You got a tiger and a brown. Just awesome.
Oh, here comes a fish. Oh no! Foolish. And I shouldn't have hit it that hard. He's gonna hit it again. No! Trevor, come back! I let him chew on it. Yeah, I had already felt it on the rod. I should have just set it, but I was like, he may have just bumped it, and then he was like chewing on it. Is there a fish on it? It's gotta scare him when it goes like that. Oh, got him. He came back up and grabbed it. Yeah. Okay, fishy. Okay. Okay, a second. There you go. I try to like let it, I try to make it so it went off, but it didn't. There we go. Come on. There's fish. That one was buried. That fish was never coming off. Nope. Someone had it on for a second, dude. What the hell? Is it? Okay, there we go. Definitely on. Really? No? Nice one. Definitely a nice one. Yeah. Maybe the nicest one I've had today. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah. Don't really get much bigger here. All right. All done. Successful.